especially beneficial for those with sensitive or dry skin, which protects against collagen. This video is for people who are too busy to take care of their skin or looking for natural ways to reverse aging. In this video, I will share 4 effective steps that you can seamlessly integrate in your busy schedule to take care of your skin so that you look youthful, fresh, and radiant. Having a clear skin is like your secret weapon, because when your skin's glowing, you look stunning no matter what. In the first few decades of your life, your skin produces collagens, elastin in abundance. But as the years go by, those numbers start to decline. And that's where a solid skincare routine comes into play. It helps in boosting skin cell production and keep you looking and feeling fabulous throughout your life. Now let's talk wrinkles. They're a part of life, a little reminder of the wisdom and experience that you have gained. But if you're eager to slow down or to reverse the aging signs on your face, it doesn't have to be complicated. So here are the 4 super effective steps to reverse aging. So for the step 1, we are going to use a common kitchen ingredient, ginger. It is rich in antioxidant known as gingerol, which protects against collagen breakdown. And it is super easy to make it part of your routine. So all you have to do is start your day with a cup of hot tea with shredded ginger and a teaspoon of honey for the maximum anti-aging benefits to the skin. And that's it. Easy, right? So if you can't do it in the morning, you can do it at any time during the day. But to reap the maximum benefits, you do it as the first thing in the morning. Step 2, which is something as simple as breathing, can be a powerful secret to anti-aging. When we learn to breathe deeply, we are giving ourselves a precious gift. It is like pressing a pause button on your body. So deep breathing slows down our heart rate and helps our nervous system relax. Our bodies release stress hormones every day because of the busy routine. But deep breaths, they are like our superpowers against those hormones. So the next time when you are feeling overwhelmed, remember taking a moment to do some deep breathing. It is going to make you feel better and it's going to make your skin look youthful. Step number 3 has to be my favorite step. So this is the double cleansing, however, using natural ingredients. So double cleansing with natural ingredients can help you clean your skin, make it healthy without harsh ingredients. So it's especially beneficial for those with sensitive or dry skin. You can choose natural ingredients that work best for your skin type and do this routine in the evening to remove makeup and other impurities. So now let's look at what we need to do. Step number 1 is taking extra virgin olive oil. You can take coconut oil as well, which is my favorite. So all you have to do is take it between your palms and rub it gently and then massage it on your dry face. And the oil acts like gentle magnet for makeup and other impurities. Keep it on your face for a minute and then take a warm, wet cloth. Wipe away the oil and you will be amazed to see what comes off. But we are not done yet. So the step number 2 is water-based cleansing. And for this one, our natural ingredient going to be honey mixed with water. But do you know what I like to use? Gram flour. I like to take a little bit of gram flour, maybe a teaspoon, and then mix it with water a little bit, make it a kind of paste, and then gently massage it on my face. It is going to cleanse your skin without stripping its natural oils. Rinse it off and pat dry your face. Now finish with your favorite natural moisturizer. I like to use a mix of jojoba oil and almond oil. And I've been using this combination for almost 5 years. So you can completely trust me on that. This is going to make your skin look so much brighter and beautiful every time you use it. And here is the pro tip. Keep the coconut oil jar and the gram flour or honey, whatever you like to wash your face with, where you wash your face. And that ways you won't have to remember each time to get these items from the kitchen and you won't have any excuses to not use it. So I will insert the picture from my vanity how I like to keep them. Now let's move on to our last step, which is a banana mask. Bananas contain essential elements such as vitamins C and B6, which help to maintain the skin's elasticity. The antioxidants, magnesium and vitamin A, B and E contained in the banana help prevent the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now let's see how you can make a banana mask at home. Mash a ripe banana and add a teaspoon of honey to it. That's it. Mix it properly and then apply it to your clean face. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water followed by a natural moisturizer. And these were our 4 effective steps. If you could implement only 3 steps into your daily schedule and banana mask twice weekly, you will see some amazing results within 4 weeks. So ladies, remember, you have the power to take control of your skin's destiny. With these natural techniques, you can nurture your skin. And let's face each day with confidence and grace. If you found these tips helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more amazing videos. And most importantly, share your own skin secrets in the comment section below. Let's build a community of radiant women who age gracefully and naturally. Until next time, keep smiling and take it easy. Sat Shri Akal.